What a lovely evening. The sun's gonna be setting soon and, oh, the moon is out. Better start heading back soon. It's getting late. Just gonna walk for a little while. Just get that breeze in my face. Oh, that looks weird. I know it's a tree stump, but man. Last time we came here, it's with Toad. The water was filled, but not really. But then they drained it afterwards. I don't know. Just a little guess of mine. Wait a sec. What time is this? Like 5 o'clock? Oh well, I don't really care about the time that much anyway, so onward I go then. Wait a sec. What's that over there? Looks pretty cool. Oh, jackpot. Oh, what the? Hello? A Crash Bandicoot? Got it, funny. Get over here! Ooh, sounded even better. Not fooling around. Time to get going, I guess. Oh yeah, it is getting so late. Better start heading back. Well, what's the possibility that can go wrong? Oh wait, absolutely nothing. Mamma mia, what was that noise? Wait a sec. What? Crash? What? Okay, is that Mario's voice? Yes, Crash. It's me, Mario. Oh. Well, hey Mario, how's it going? Doing good, Crash. Very, very good. What brings you out here this lovely evening? Just going for a little nature walk. Just taking a little breather for a few before I head back home. Oh, I was gonna say, where is RJ? And Jackson Toad? RJ's home, Jax is sick, and Toad is at the arcade. Oh, nice to know. So, anyways, hope you have a nice evening. You too, man. And by the way, tell Yoshi to not eat too many bean burritos. That's for sure. Oh, don't get me started. Every time I bring that up, he farts. Yeah. Anyways, gotta get going, alright, Mario? I'll, see you on later, alright? Okay, see you later, Crash. Alright, later, dudes. Oh, wait a sec. I forgot to tell Crash something about the AMS. Well, I'll tell RJ another time if I'm, not really busy. So, but start heading back, I guess. Let's get going.